Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, May 27th. Welcome back, bears. Knocked down the markets yesterday, down 1%. E-mini S&P down 19.5 at the close at 2105. The low of the session was 2,096. Dow futures got hit as well, down 171. 18,053 was the close, but that was 90 points off the session low at 17,964. Lastly, tech, which still hasn't made new highs from April, closed yesterday down 49 points at 44.80. The big story was the dollar. The dollar surging back. 97.40 was the close yesterday, up 130. So that dollar being over is not true. The euro currency down 169 at 108.74, continuing to slide after hitting 114 and change just a week or so ago. The bond market had a bounce as well. That's how the markets are supposed to behave. Stocks sell off, bonds rally. Flight to quality yesterday up 2.5 points, 2 and 14 30 seconds. 156.07 was the closing price in the 30-year Treasury, pushing yields back down. With the stronger dollar, crude oil lost $1.70, closing at $58, and gold dropping $17 yesterday at $11.87. So after the negative action in stocks yesterday, where do things stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're getting a little bit of a bounce. We're up 2 points in the E-mini S&P at 2107, up 15 in the Dow futures 18,068, and holding steady in the Nasdaq up 3.5 at 44.83. That's because the dollar is steady. 97.40 is where we stand right now, essentially unchanged. We've got the euro currency up 14 at 108.98. Bonds have backed off half a point right now at 155.22. That puts the yields at 2.92 in the 30-year and 2.15 in the 10-year note, with 2% support down below. Crude oil gaining 35 cents this morning at 58.40, and gold going nowhere, down $1. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opened, we're steady to higher in the stock indexes after this 1% sell-off yesterday. We're up 2 in the S&P, we're up 15 in the Dow, and up 3.5 in the Nasdaq 100 tech sector. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.